I'm criminal defense attorney Neil Shouse with Shouse California Law Group. Under California Penal Code 4502, it is a serious felony offense to possess or manufacture a weapon inside any penal institution. This law applies whether you are in a state prison, a county jail, or even a prison forestry camp. The legal definition of a weapon is extremely broad. It includes obvious items like firearms and explosives, but it also covers makeshift items like a piece of metal honed from a bed frame, a sharpened toothbrush, or a melted plastic razor handle, commonly known as a shank. A conviction under Penal Code 4502 carries severe consequences. Possessing a weapon can add 2, 3, or 4 years to your current sentence, and this new jail term is usually served consecutively. However, there are strong legal defenses available. We can aggressively argue that the weapon actually belonged to another inmate, that it was planted in your cell to frame you, or in very specific cases, that you possess the weapon out of strict necessity to defend yourself against an immediate and imminent danger. If you or a loved one is facing criminal charges related to weapons in a penal facility, don't wait. Call us immediately for a free consultation at 855-999-7755. We will fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.